This we call an XTractor. It's a skid steer attachment that we've dedicated for pulling trees. We do all have a toolbar where you can put different tools on one, but this one is pulling trees, and it's designed to pull trees of different sizes and different kinds of soil. We want to be able to get good penetration. We'd like to get at least 16 inches under the root ball to get a good pull. We have lots of design back in here because when we use that fulcrum, we put a lot of torque back on the back end. In fact, we'll have somewhere around 38,000 pound-feet of torque. This is an accessory inside the beam here. We call it a mud eater. Basically what it is a hydraulic cylinder. It's inside this shield, and it pushes out the tree and the debris when we get the tree pulled. You'll see some hard surfacing here on the points. This keeps the points from wearing. We have different profiles for this V depending on the size of the tree. These are relatively young trees we're pulling today, so we have a pretty narrow bit on there. We have some other little accessories on this we're proud of. This is a chain hook where you can put a chain in there and lift things with it. This is a gooseneck trailer ball hitch where you can lift real heavy goosenecks because it's so close back to the skid steer. We have a little owner's manual canister in here. We have some slip resistant pads on the sides so when you crawl up in it you can get in. This is a brush shield, keeps the brush coming back into the cab. It can be removed, and you would have to remove it if you were going to use the ball. Again, I've alluded to the fact that these are ports so you can see better as you're pulling the tree. This construction is wraparound. This is one piece of steel, comes all the way around, wraps up. The back has 3/8 inch plate. It wraps around and welds here. So it's very strong, very durable. It's pretty heavy. It's about 535 pounds, but it has a small enough footprint that you can load it into a pickup truck. As we approach a tree, we start with this position so we can see the tree and see where we're going to locate the bit. So we got good visibility. We're looking through these ports here and up underneath it, and we want to get it right at the base of the tree. And on a mesquite or weasach such as this one, you hope that the root's right under the base. You're not real sure.